Curb catastrophe. A woman says a shopping trip around the holidays quickly took a disastrous turn.
Now, she ended up in the hospital after tripping over a piece of sidewalk. It happened in downtown Northville, and the woman believes a big business in the area should be held accountable.
7 Action News reporter Andrea Isom is on the case looking for answers and some action.
Instead of a nice afternoon with my daughter shopping, I spent an unpleasant afternoon.
Terrified and convinced that this one moment in time could change her life forever.
I hit it and I flew. I can remember hitting the ground with my face.
70-year-old Pam Flanagan was in shock, stunned. Her body was teeming with gashes. Pam was bleeding from her nose, mouth, chin, legs. Her back took a beating too.
The nurse came running, and she was a godsend.
Because she promptly took care of Pam until the ambulance arrived. Cops came to the scene as well, and according to their report, they were not surprised. When she recalls the frightening fall,
I never saw it coming.
It being this curb or embankment on the sidewalk, which in a police report from Northville PD states primarily belongs to Comerica Bank.
I'm mad because in the police report it said that they were aware of this problem and chose not to do anything about it.
Especially after being warned by the city of Northville, why anyone would think that this is acceptable.
Pam's attorney, Jordan Acker, is outraged.
It's really disgraceful. They've been warned by several people falling over this curb, warned by the theater that is next door that it's dangerous. In this particular situation, there is no doubt that they were responsible, that they knew about this.
As for these cones, it's unclear who put them here. Many of you may believe the bank would have to cover Pam's medical bills, place a sign, rail, paint the curb, or provide a permanent symbol to caution unsuspecting patrons at this plaza. But believe it or not, by law, Comerica does not have to.
The court in Michigan changed the law in 2001 unilaterally.
That law says a premises owner can be held liable for dangerous conditions on their property unless the dangerous condition was open and obvious, meaning the average person would have or should have seen the potential danger.
What you have is you have people who are grievously injured sometimes, and there's nothing that we can do for them.
If I don't see that, look at that. I'm a goner.
Pam still has a plethora of doctor's appointments. Her medical bills are mounting. She is still suffering from infections and wounds that simply will not heal.
It should never happen to anybody else.
I walked into Comerica Bank to get some answers, some action. A spokesperson with Comerica Corporate Communications tells Action News they are looking into the matter and have no comment. While that may be a step in the right direction, Jordan and Pam are pleading with all of us to take some steps of our own.
I want you to call your legislator to say, this isn't okay, you have a right to protect us.
We need to help change the law.
In Northville, I'm Andrea Isom, 7 Action News.
We reached out to the state representative, Matt Colazar, and he issued us the following statement. My office is looking into the matter. The safety of our constituents and any visitors to the district is of the utmost importance to us. We send our best regards to the family of the victim and wish for a speedy recovery. We hope to prevent any potential injuries like this whenever possible, especially in places with multiple instances of injury.